YouTube students, it's your boy again, Glory George, and guess what, guys? In today's video, we are not going to be talking about the charts. We're not going to be talking about trading strategy. In today's video, I'm going to be showing to you guys how I, as a teenager, cope with losing trades, or what I do whenever I lose in the forex market. So this video is going to be an interesting one, so you don't want to miss out on any information which I will share with you guys into this video. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for returning back to this channel. I love you guys. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel right now. I share a lot of valuable information. You can click on my channel and find a lot of videos. I also share my trading strategy and a lot of other things in this channel, right? So you will consider subscribing to the channel. Also, smash the like button. If you have any question, let us know down there in the comment section. I don't want to waste much of your precious time. Let's get straight into the video. I'll be leaving the link to my Instagram in the description box also. So guys, today is April 18th. I think yesterday, April 17th, I took some trade on Euro USD, which is one of the best pair that I love trading, though I don't have a specific pair that I love trading. So it's one of the best pair I love trading. Yesterday, when I woke up in the morning, I saw that the market, I opened up my chart, I just viewed a lot of things, moved back, trying to see something in the market or see the movement of the market. After doing that, I went out, I went to shower up, do my daily morning routine. Then when I came back, I opened my phone, I started, trying to analyze the market to see if I can catch up an opportunity that we jump into, right? So after doing all of that, I found that, note guys, I do my analysis mainly on the 15 minutes time frame, but I go to the higher time frame and check the trend of the market so that I won't trade against the trend. So if the market is showing me an uptrend in the higher time frame, so when I dive down to the lower time frame, I'll be looking out for more buy opportunities because I don't want to trade against the trend, right? So after doing that, I think I went some analysis on the 15 minutes time frame on Euro USD, and I jumped into the trade. When I jumped into the trade, I was on profit, so I decided to open another position. I think I opened about 3 or 2 positions, right? About 3 or 2 positions, right? They were all on profit, right? So I decided, because it was on the 15-minute time frame, meaning that every candle that opens takes 15 minutes to open. Like before a candle we open, it will take 15 minutes. For the next one we open 15 minutes. You guys know what I mean because we are forex traders. So guys, when I opened the positions, they were on profit. So I decided to off my phone and go do other things, right? So when I offed my phone, I went to do other things. When I came back, guys, you guys, I was on loss, guys. Like all the 3 positions I opened, I was on loss. But it hasn't hit my stop loss yet. I was on loss, but it almost reached my stop loss, guys. I was on loss, and I've already set my stop loss. I've set my take profit. So I jumped into the trade. When I came back, I was on loss. Just for me to open my phone, slide back into the chart, poof, it hit my stop loss, guys. When I went back to my account balance on my MT5 was so down, guys. I was so sad yesterday. I think I was so down, I was so sad, guys. I decided to make this video to also share with you guys that despite the strategy that I share with you guys, not that this strategy they don't work. There is no strategy that is an holy grail in this forex market. Like there are a lot of people, we lose in this market. Like losing is normal, but when you keep on losing in this market, then you should check up on yourself. You should back test your strategy. You should test your strategy. You should ask your mentor that what's wrong with me. Okay, mentor, look at this strategy. Look at this trade that I took yesterday. Yeah, the market was supposed to fall, but when I jumped into the trade, the market started reversing upwards. Please, what happened there? Why did this strategy go against me? Why did this market go against me? This is what you are supposed to do, not that you just keep it personal to yourself and then start crying over a trade that you lost. No, it's not supposed to be done that way. Now, what I did yesterday was I took a jotter. I started marking out those things that I failed. Maybe there was a candlestick pattern that I didn't see early. Maybe I jumped into the trade late. Maybe I jumped into the trade early. Started writing those things so that next time when I want to jump into a trade, I'm going to check out for these things: the candlestick pattern, the chart formation, whether there is news or there is no news. These are things that I need to check first before jumping into a trade. So yesterday was a very bad day, a very sad day, guys. I lose, my account was so down. Check on the account balance, I was just seeing red losses. I took it, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I took it personal though. But with time I just off my phone. I went outside, I started playing games, right? I just want to get my mind off that thing. Though later in the night when I was about to sleep, I was just thinking about it. Like, guys, I was saying, oh God, I've lost money. Converted the amount I lost down to my local currency, guys. It money that I can use, maybe give to my junior brother, or using getting something for myself. But I lose it. I was like, yeah, losing in this forex market is normal, but I pray that I'm not gonna lose again, because I've already written down those things that made me lose. Maybe the chart pattern, maybe the candlestick, maybe I did not check the news. Those things I wrote them down, so next time when I'm jumping into a trade or I want to open a position, I'm gonna check out for those things, and it helps me to become a more better trader. And I also know that it's gonna also help you guys to become a more better trader. So guys, the quote for today is that when you lose in this forex market, do not take it personal. Me, when I lost yesterday, I refused to trade again. I just off my phone and then I went to do other thing else. When I came back, I didn't open my MT5. When I came back to my phone, I didn't open my MT5. I just opened a game that I love playing so that I can get my mind off the trade, right? So yesterday was a very bad day. The money that I lost yesterday, it actually brought my account down, guys. So guys, this video is just to share with you guys how I cope whenever I lose the trade. Do I say forex is a scam? Do I quit forex? Do I just start yelling at everybody? No, I don't take it too personal, though it upset me a lot. It hurt me a lot that I was losing money, that I also lost yesterday after running those strategies, after following the trend of the market. I also lose, guys. So losing is normal. Though those strategies I share with you guys, they are working. All the strategy, they do work, but no strategy is an holy grail. I wouldn't come over here to YouTube and tell you guys that this strategy is going to work 100%. No, I'm not gonna tell you guys, because I can't just because no strategy is a holy grail. Yeah, that's just it. I don't want to talk much, right? Up to an extent, every strategy is accurate, but not 100% accurate. So guys, that's just it. Whether using trendline strategy, break and retest strategy, price action, any strategy you want to use, they are working, but not always, right? Not 100% accurate, but up to an extent they are accurate. So this video, I just decided to share this video with you guys to also tell you guys that I lose, so that when you guys lose, you won't take it too personal. Just write down the mistakes that you made. Maybe you jump into the trade late, maybe jump into the trade early. That's what caused the loss in the trade. Right, for me yesterday, I think I jumped into the trade early. Right, okay, let me explain what happened that yesterday that I lose the trade. Okay, if the market broke my trend line, after breaking my trend line, right, I didn't wait for the retest. I was thinking, because the market was still coming down with those bearish candles, showing high momentum of bearish traders. So my mind was that it's not going to come to retest, right? So when the market was moving, I jumped into the trade. Right, I jumped into the trade and the market was still moving. I think the market was moving down. So when I jumped into the trade, I saw that retest, and the zone where the market came to retest was where my stop loss was. That's where I set my stop loss. So the market retested, came to retest, pulled back into retest, and hit my stop loss. And after that, the market started reversing down, guys. This thing happens, right? So you just have to be patient. Do not jump into the trade too early. Do not jump into the trade too late. You just have to wait. On your screen, look at the chart, marry the chart, look at the chart, see what's happening before jumping to the trade. Do not just jump in carelessly, guys. You're risking your money. Right? So I've learned from my mistake, and I hope that whenever I lose in the market, do not take it personal. Instead, learn from your mistake. But when you keep on losing in the market, then back test your strategy. Check on your strategy, analyze your strategy, ask your mentor, ask somebody who is more better than you. Right? Ask that person, and it will improve you and make you a better trader. I hope you guys learned something from this video. Please subscribe to the channel and also like this video. In my next video, I would love to see you. So subscribe to the channel. I will catch you up in my next video.